told to be rejected is pain. The day said I should always bear the blame, so I took the shame, allowed myself to decay as the world took my name, crawling